What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's a buddy Technoboy, and that's a switchboard you can see. So I'm going to show you the connections from the main line to the switchboard and the switch and the plug point. So that's how you can make an extension cord according to your need, how much switches and plug point you need. So according to that you can make of your own. So here you can see one switch for this plug point, this one for this plug point, and this one for this plug point, and another switch. This one is like extra here, so you can ignore that. And that's the fuse box, so ignore that fuse box. One plug point is switch, another one, and the third one. So here, so this would be the positive line coming from the main line and going to the fuse right here. As I told you, that's the fuse, and from the other side of the fuse, that's the phase line going to ignore that switch, going to this switch, and from there going to this switch, and from there going to this switch. So this is like a parallel connection coming from this fuse. So the phase line to the one point of all the switches, and from another point of the switches, here you can see that will go to the phase point of the plug as marked here, L and N, L for line and N for neutral, and this is the earthing point. So from the switch it will go to the line point of the plug, there you can see. So from this switch it is going to this plug's L point, and here this switch here also going to this one's line point, this plug. And now the neutral, that would be common, no need of switch for the neutral. So that's the neutral of this plug point. From here, that's where going to the neutral to the other plug point, and from there the neutral is going to another plug point, and from there that's the line out, which is coming from the main line. So here on this side, that's the phase line, and this side, that's the main line. Well, I have connected, I have used all the black wires, but for your convenience you can use different colors of wire. Like you can use the red one for the phase and black one for the neutral, and you can use the green one for the earthing too, but that's for your better understanding, but it's not necessary. You can use any color of wire, so I have used the black ones. So that's the phase line incoming, and that's the neutral incoming, and the earthing would be the same. Here that's one plug point, the earthing is going to another one, and from this one is going to the third one, and from the third one is connect another wire. It's like that. So that would be the earthing incoming. So very simple, as I told you, if you remember this connection, very simple. One line would be coming from the fuse or directly coming from the main line, and will go one point of the switch parallelly. Then from other point of the switch it will go to the line of the plug point, same with the others. So that's the phase line, that's the neutral line, and that's the earthing line. So that's the simple way it works. Now let me connect this thing and test all of it. So here you can see I have connected the phase, neutral, and earthing there, and now if I turn off all the switch, then connect to here, see nothing is there, no reading. Now if I turn the switch on, now here you can see the voltage reading. So now you can see it's working. So if I turn the switch off again, and here I cannot see any reading, but the other side, if I touch the other side of the switch, you can see the reading. Here it's not, so it's working properly. And now it's coming from here. Here you can see the fuse and the incoming of the fuse here, and if the fuse goes off, in any case the output wouldn't be here. So that's it. So that is my soldering iron, and let me connect here and turn the switch on. There you can see the light is on, so it's working. So that's how you can make your own extension switchboard, and you can keep the length of the wire as much as you want. So that's it. Hope you like the video. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.